Let's practice English with latest current or breaking news. A military leader named Panna, he was throttled to death. He did not get oxygen, problem with the oxygen, and there could be cardiac arrest as the post-mortem supposes, Indian police said. Here you see the photo, the spectacles. He looking a gentleman. He fled. He was trying to flee away from Bangladesh. As you know, Sheikh Hasina's government has been ousted. That's why, because of the fall of Sheikh Hasina's government, this Awami League leader was trying to get away from Bangladesh, and it was something terrible that happened on the border area, 1.5 kilometers inside the border of India. His dead body was there. It means probably Indian police have fired and shot him to death. Sometimes it happens, illegal people enter India, Indian people sometimes enter Bangladesh illegally. So maybe the policemen did not know, that's why they shot, or that could be something that he was very upset because of his having terrible time as he was fleeing from Bangladesh. He was in a very serious trauma. He had a problem with oxygen. He had cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest could have killed him. Let's go more about it. Awami League leader Ishaq Ali Khan, his name is Panna, nickname, and this is official name. He was throttled to death. The Indian media report, media. So one media, that is Facebook is a medium, YouTube is a medium, right? And two medium means media. Media reported plural form, media. Today, quoting means the Indian reporter did not say, but a police source citing. A police source citing the post-mortem report. So a police officer, police personnel said after the post-mortem report that military leader Panna was throttled to death. He had problem with oxygen. Probably cardiac arrest could have been the reason, or the shooting by the Indian border police. The Shillong Times said, quoting a police. So the Shillong Times did not say, but a police officer said that the cause of death is asphyxia. It means shortage of oxygen, very little oxygen. If someone drowns underwater, he cannot have oxygen, inhalation of oxygen. No oxygen was there because of cardiac arrest, or somebody throttled his neck. So asphyxia, it has been caused by throttling. United News of India News Agency reported there were also lacerated wounds. So different places, different wounds. So it means he was killed. It was not a normal murder. It was not a normal death. It was a murder, could be. On the body of Panna, especially when somebody dies, it is the body of that person. He is not anymore. No more of Panna, but the dead body of Panna. Corpse is the dead body. Corpse. Especially, so it's especially British people say, but this one is especially. If E is not there, then this is American. On the lower right part of the orbital region, there were abrasions and bruises. You have understood. Abrasions and bruises on the forehead. It can be forehead, it can be forehead. So head before head. Before head means brow, forehead. Forehead or forehead, that is brow, which could indicate a struggle by the victim. It added, quoting the post-mortem report. So most likely he was killed. Dislocation, so location and dislocation, you understand? Location, dislocation of the proximal interphalangeal joint of the left ring finger. The forensic report, the post-mortem report, that is forensic report, will be able to give a better picture on the cause of Panna's death, the Shillong Times said, quoting the police source, Panna's body is likely to be handed over to his family if and when they approach the Meghalaya government. If Bangladesh police or Bangladesh authority or his family approaches the Meghalaya government that please send the dead body in Bangladesh, then they will send the dead body. This probably would be done through diplomatic channels, Meghalaya police said, adding they would not be able to hand over the body, the handover of power. So Sheikh Hasina's power handed over the interim government directly. Direct or directly, both are adverb. The body has been kept at the Cleariat Civil Hospital morgue. So where the dead body is kept, that is morgue, mortuary or morgue, and civil, the general people. East Jaintia Hills Police Chief, the chief police officer, Giri Prasad, he said, Panna was identified, recognized, sorted out, identified by his passport, and a further identification would be done by his family. When the family see the dead body, they can understand more clearly. That's why it is called further in identification, more identification. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.